Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Miss Fierce here from the Fierce Trade House. And this video I'm doing is slightly different. I want to back test before the week starts. And I want to back test GU. And I'm just going to look at the weekly and daily timeframes. Okay. I'm not going to do too much in-depth analysis. I'm just going to look at it from overall structure and look for potential swing trades I can take. Yeah. So on the weekly, we're bullish. Okay. We're definitely bullish. Let me go on the daily. What's the daily telling me? So we pushed up, we retraced, and then this day here on the 4th of November, this week, we took out liquidity. Then we pushed up again and took out this high. So chances are, when we took out this high here, the swing high, chances are we're just going to continue buying because we're forming higher highs. But if I look on the daily, what is it telling me? What are you telling me? Taken out this low, pushed up, tested this zone. Potentially we could retest this zone again, then continue. I'm looking for buys, guys, just in case you're wondering. I'm looking for buys because, so let's start here. I'm looking for buys because, I mean, this is just bullish structure. Took out this swing high, swing highs, which were like on the primary structure level. And when we took out that high, we pushed up again and took out higher highs, took out intermediary highs and external highs. And now we've pushed down. Okay, but when we pushed down here, guess what happened? We ended up pushing back into this accumulation zone. So I'm anticipating that possibly this looks like a bit of a reaccumulation, meaning that I want to see us push up. I mean, that's just what I'm thinking. So my take is, where do I consider entering for the buy? So I'm just going to watch the chart to give me signals. And I want to do this. I'm just going to look at for a trade. So just one trade. And let me also look at my target. So target wise, this is when this is there's liquidity here. Okay, so this is a swing high that has pending liquidity sitting there. So that's going to be my target, my final target. That would be about approximately 479 pips, guys. So what am I looking at here on the daily? And I'm getting on the daily. So I started looking at this chart on when? So this was Thursday and Friday. So that means this previous week, the market was bearish. So we came from targeting these lows here. We broke up, took out these highs, and then we retested. So we took out the lows, took out the highs, and retraced. So I'm like, with this initial structure, I'm just bullish. I'm like, we've taken out the lows, we've taken out the highs. What else would we be doing other than buy? So I'm going to buy. I'm going to just look for buys. And I'm going to wait for a swing high to be taken out, either this one or this one. And then I'm going to wait for the retest. Okay, so this is Monday. So this is Monday's candle. So I haven't entered on Monday. I'm just looking at the chart. And that's the thing about trading, guys. You're looking for setups. You're not looking to trade every single day. I could enter this trade. This could be the only trade I enter on this month of November, let's say. And it can make me enough money to trade to wait until the next month to get into another trade again. So this is a swing. This is an example of how I would swing trade. I don't necessarily have to go to the lower time frame. I'm just going to be like, let's just do this. So this is Monday, and I say that because 25th, 22nd, so this is a Monday. Definitely this is a Friday. It's not really giving me the vibes yet. I want to see either a swing low or a swing high being taken out. So either this low, if this is taken out, then I'll be like, okay, maybe we are still pushing lower and maybe targeting these lows here. And if there's a swing high taken out, either this day's high or this previous day's high, then I'll be like, okay, I think we are bullish. But I'm targeting this swing high to be taken out. So I'm gonna mark it as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna mark it. And this will be my potential entry. That's at 1.28976. So let's play this, guys. So what do I see happen on? So this was on Monday. On Tuesday, we did take out the high. Wait, what happened? We opened, we pushed up higher, but then we came down and took out the low. So on this day, I'm actually not entering the market because I want to see this swing high taken out, retested. Like I want price to come and retest, to push up and retest. Make sense? Push up and retest. I just want to enter on the retest. I don't want to enter in between. We are bullish. So even if I enter here and push, we are bullish, yes, but I don't want to do that. I want price to push up, retest, and then, so I would just maybe, if I'm buying, I would put a pending order or I'll just wait. My stop right now would be maybe here, 63 or previous low 74, but I'm not yet in. Just know that this is my level. I'll probably put an alert and say enter at 1.28976 on the next day. So let's see what happens. I want a break and retest. So we've broken through and we formed the low. So now maybe I can refine my low to this, okay, to this low, this candle's low. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I haven't really gotten into the market. You're thinking, Lillian, why? Because I'm swing trading. I'm not looking for all the positions in the market. And like I said, my target is not this intermediary high, it's this external high here, because this is where there's pending liquidity. So I'm just going to drag it there for future. We are still waiting, and hopefully you guys can learn something from this. So what are we saying? Structure is bullish. We've taken out intermediary high, swing highs and previous swing highs here, broken structure, retested the levels of structure, and then we have been taking out liquidity. But then when it came to this here on last week of this, the previous week here, we came here, took out liquidity here. We can see this low was kind of low, maybe than this one. We didn't quite take out this low that actually broke structure. So if we had continued down, I would have been like, okay, now we are selling, but we didn't quite do that. What we did, we came back into this zone. Okay, so I'm just repeating it so that you guys can see what I'm seeing. And then we now, like I said, this is the end of this bearish run. Taken out, maybe this actually didn't quite take it out. And then what we did is this next day on the Monday, we formed a bullish formation. Now, we didn't take out any high or low. We're just in the middle here. So I'm not trading this day. I can trade if I'm scalping and I'm looking at lower time frames, but I'm swing trading, okay? And then what happened is on this day, price took out this liquidity. Took out this low here. And what am I looking for? There's this swing high. Like I said, I want price to break out and retest. Somebody be like, but this kind of broke out because it formed a wick above. It didn't form above this. It's still below this other one. So we are still bearish. Okay, this candle actually closed bearish. So I'm not entering on this market. I'm just like, Lillian, we are waiting for the breakout. And then we want formation down, and then we tap in and push up. This is the level we are targeting. This open at 1.28550. So my entry should be at 1.28. Wait, sorry, this is the close. 1.28987. You can see it up there. So 1.2, the C here is a close. So this is what I'm targeting as my entry. 1.28987. Whenever it pushes up and then retests back. Okay. So again, we are here. Swing trading is patience. Now, did we tap into it? No. Did we just miss that? Okay, we tapped into it. Hallelujah. So I have waited for this trade to activate. Almost did on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Very frustrating. Didn't quite tap in. But then finally on Friday, and that's where now your wits are on edge. You're just like, oh my God, I missed that trade. And then you want to jump in and start chasing the market. No, you wait for your setup to set up. Okay, that's why it's called a setup. So now that we are already in this trade, I'm just going to adjust my stop loss to the bottom of this. Actually, I'll just possibly move it to this previous low here. I don't really think it's gonna come back down. So remember so we are looking at a risk to reward of 7.76. Okay, so if I make this entire move, I'm good to go. Yeah, let's see, guys. So I hope you see. So this is the one trade of the month. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I'm entering on a Friday of, this is the end of November. People will be like, don't enter the market on a Friday. True. This is for, I mean, you don't have to, you can, it depends on what you're looking at, but we've seen the opportunity, the trade executed on a Friday. So you can choose to tap out at the end of the market day, or you can just hold it to next week. In this case, it's a swing position, I'm holding it. Let's play. Again, we're just back testing, so I don't. Now, the interesting thing is, Friday executed, we're in profit, then guess what? It came back to my entry. How nerve-wracking is that? Now, for me, because now this is really bullish, I'm just gonna move my stop. So now, if this price, and I'm gonna put it just below there, if this price, so this is 18 pips. If I'm taken out of this market, that means I'm literally just going to lose 18 pips. So 18 pips, if you're trading a micro lot, that could be $1.8. If you're trading a mini lot, that's $18. If you're trading a standard lot, that is $180. So please understand, that's what you'd be losing. But if I gain and I hit my target, which I'm praying that I do, and someone will ask, why did you put this target up here? Because this is intermediary high, this is the external high. So I'm targeting the external high. Okay. There. So let's fine tune this. So I'm already in the trade. I'm holding this baby like, oh my goodness, this is the only trade I'm taking in this month or this week, whatever. Do we make it? I'm on edge. We're pushing up. We're pushing up. We are retracing. We're pushing up. We're breaking structure. Yay. Oops. There we go. And I'm done. So yeah, guys, that's how I swing trade. This is 484 pips. Now let's do this. My risk is 18. So by the time we get up here, my risk to reward, because I adjusted my stop, was 25. So 18 pips if I lose, and if I gained, which I have gained, is 480. So how many days? Now that's the question. We entered on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On a Friday, and we hit target Friday. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 1 week. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 1 week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 2 weeks. So this trade, guys, two weeks. This is a swing. This is a swing position. Position. Taken me 2 weeks, and I've bagged what? What have I bagged? I've bagged 484 pips. Now this is one position. One. not be dramatic. One swing position. It ran for 2 weeks exactly, from a Friday to a Friday. And I usually say don't trade on Friday, but if you're swing trading, you can trade on any day, because swing trading, you're looking for positions, you're looking for setups. Intraday, I avoid Fridays because there's manipulation. So that's why I don't trade on Fridays when I'm intradaying or scalping. So that's 48 pips. Like I said, if I'm on a micro lot of 0.01, that would be $48. Okay. $48.4 thereabouts, removing commission, maybe $47, I don't know. 0.1 depends on your broker. I would have $480. Okay. 0.4, $484, sorry. And if I was on a standard lot, I would be at possibly $4,840. So I don't know if you guys see where, for those people who are like, I don't have time to trade. I don't have time to stare at my chart the way you do, Lillian, every day, intraday. You don't have to. You can just enter a position and leave it running for 2 weeks. That's a nice, clean swing trade. All you need to do is be patient. Be patient. Now, in terms of why I entered here, if you want a refined explanation, I do have my forex classes, guys, where I teach all these concepts in detail. I break it down like you're in, nursery or forex all the way to advanced, and I'll be able to show you why I took this trade. Okay, so that's it for today. That's what I wanted to show you, how I do backtest. Obviously, this is just one position. When I'm backtesting, I do backtest a lot more, but I just wanted to use this one example so that you can see how you can actually swing trade the market. Thanks, guys, and have a lovely, lovely trading week ahead. Bye-bye.